Here are two elevators outside of IKEA in Copenhagen, Denmark. It's two. These elevators are KONE MonoSpace 700s and were built in 2022. Here's two. Over to the roof garden. Now to -2. Here we are back at -2. That's the new bus station for Copenhagen. You can also vaguely see the trains in action. And then there's IKEA. I might be getting the other one this time. Yep, that one's coming down. Going back to -2. See the trains in action. Now we'll look out the other side. Now we'll get a closer view and check out the views from level 2. In the distance you can see Dybbølsbro and Fisketorvet station for the S trains. area back at Tivoli. Let's see what views we can get from up here. You are next to some odd-shaped buildings. You can see towards Fisketorvet shopping centre. You can also see all the trains in action, all out from Copenhagen Central Station. A couple of high-rise buildings over there. A road. There's Dybbølsbro station for the S trains. You can also see where all the trains go into the central station. And there's the updated bus station. You get amazing views from up here. Now we'll head over to the other side. At this end of IKEA, you can see the entrance of Fisketorvet shopping centre and Kalvebod Brygge. Not bad views from this roof garden over IKEA. Oh, and yes, there's the Cabinn and the Tivoli Hotel, both towers. Alright, now back to the lifts. And now to 0. That's it.